Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're listening to this. Welcome back to English Sprout TV, the place where learning English is simple, natural, and fun. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Thanks for joining us today.
Emma, I have to ask you something. Are you a morning person?
Honestly, not really. I need at least 2 cups of coffee before I can smile at anyone. What about you?
Oh, I'm definitely a morning person. I love the quiet, the sun coming up, that fresh feeling of a new day. And you know what? Today, we're going to talk about exactly that, morning routines.
Yes, in this episode, we're going to walk you through a typical morning routine in English. We'll introduce lots of useful words and phrases you can use to talk about your own daily habits.
So, if you've ever wanted to tell someone about your morning in English, this episode is perfect for you. Grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get started.
Before we begin, let me tell you what you're going to learn today. By the end of this episode, you will know how to
1. Talk about what time you wake up and how you wake up.
2. Describe what you do in the bathroom and while getting dressed.
3. Talk about breakfast and the food and drinks you have in the morning.
4. Describe how you get ready to leave the house.
And 5. Use natural phrases to talk about your daily habits with confidence.
We'll also explain some important vocabulary words as we go, so don't worry if you don't know them yet. We're here to help.
Great. So, Emma, should I share my morning routine first?
Yes, please do. And I'll ask you questions so our listeners can hear the vocabulary in a natural conversation.
Okay, so my morning starts very early. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock, that is early.
Yeah, I know, but I like it. The word wake up means to stop sleeping and open your eyes. So I wake up at 6, but I don't get up immediately.
Wait, what's the difference between wake up and get up?
Good question. Wake up is when you open your eyes and you're no longer asleep. Get up is when you actually leave your bed and stand up. Sometimes I wake up at 6, but I stay in bed until 6:15.
Oh, I do that too. I love those extra 15 minutes.
Exactly. Now I have an alarm clock on my phone. The alarm goes off at 6 a.m.
Goes off. That means the alarm makes a sound, right?
Yes, when an alarm goes off, it starts ringing. Beep, beep, beep. But sometimes I'm very tired, and when I'm tired, I press the snooze button.
Ah, the snooze button. That little button that lets you sleep for 5 more minutes.
Or 10 more minutes, or sometimes 20 more minutes.
Guilty.
So snooze means to sleep for a few more minutes after your alarm goes off. It's a very common word. You can say, I snoozed my alarm 3 times this morning.
I think a lot of people can relate to that. So after you finally get up, what do you do?
Well, the first thing I do is go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. This helps me feel awake.
Wash your face. That's the phrase we use. We don't say make a face. We say wash a face.
Exactly. And then I brush my teeth. I use toothpaste and a toothbrush.
Basic, but important.
Very important. After that, I usually take a shower. Some people take a shower in the evening, but I prefer a morning shower. It makes me feel fresh.
Take a shower. That's the phrase we use. We don't say make a shower. We say take a shower.
Exactly. And when I get out of the shower, I dry myself with a towel.
Dry yourself. To remove water from your body with a towel.
Then I comb my hair. Well, I try to. My hair is a bit messy in the morning.
Messy means untidy, not neat.
Yes, messy hair. So I comb it and then I put on deodorant.
Deodorant, that's the product you use so you smell nice all day.
Right. And then I get dressed.
Get dressed means to put on your clothes.
Yes, I put on a t-shirt and jeans because I work from home, so I don't need formal clothes. But if I have a video meeting, I might wear a nice shirt.
Put on is the phrasal verb we use when we wear clothes. You put on your shoes, you put on your jacket, you put on your hat.
Good point. And the opposite? Take off. When you come home, you take off your shoes.
Perfect. So after the bathroom and getting dressed, what's next?
Breakfast, my favorite part of the morning. I go to the kitchen and I make coffee first. I cannot function without coffee.
Function. That means to work normally, to operate. So without coffee, Alex cannot function.
True story. I boil some water, or sometimes I use a coffee machine. I pour the coffee into my favorite mug.
Pour. That means to move liquid from one container to another, like pouring water, pouring milk, pouring coffee.
Right. While the coffee is ready, I prepare my breakfast. Usually I have toast with butter and jam.
Toast is bread that you heat until it's brown and crispy. Butter is the yellow dairy spread, and jam is the sweet fruit spread.
Yes, sometimes I have cereal with milk instead. Cereal is those crunchy grains you eat with milk and bull.
Do you ever have a big breakfast like eggs and bacon?
Only on weekends. On weekdays, Monday to Friday, I keep it simple. I don't have much time.
Weekdays, that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, the days you usually work or study.
And weekends are Saturday and Sunday. So yes, on weekends I might cook scrambled eggs.
Scrambled eggs, eggs that you mix and cook in a pan.
Exactly. I also like to eat a piece of fruit, an apple or a banana. It's a healthy habit.
Healthy, good for your body. The opposite is unhealthy.
Right. So I eat my breakfast, I drink my coffee, and I check my phone for messages.
Check, to look at something to get information. Check your phone, check your email, check the time.
Yes, I try not to spend too much time on social media in the morning, but sometimes I do.
We all do.
After breakfast, I clean up the kitchen. I wash the dishes or I put them in the dishwasher.
Dishwasher, a machine that cleans your dishes automatically. Very useful.
Then I pack my bag. Even though I work from home, sometimes I go to a cafe to work. So I pack my laptop, my charger, and my notebook.
Pack means to put things into a bag because you are going somewhere.
Right. I put on my shoes, sneakers usually, and I grab my keys and my wallet.
Grab, to take something quickly. Like, I grab my phone and I leave.
Exactly. Then I head out the door. Head out means to leave, to go somewhere.
Do you walk, drive, or take public transportation?
If I go to the cafe, I walk. It's only 10 minutes away. But if the weather is bad, if it's raining, I might take the bus.
Raining, when water falls from the sky. And take the bus. We say take for public transportation. Take the bus, take the train, take a taxi.
Good reminder. So I leave the house around 8 o'clock, and that's my morning routine.
Wow, that sounds like a nice, organized morning.
What about you, Emma? What's your morning routine?
Well, I wake up at 7:30. I press snooze once, maybe twice. Then I get up, I brush my teeth, I get dressed very quickly because I'm always a little late. I don't have breakfast at home. I grab a coffee on my way to work.
On my way to, that means while traveling to a place. So Emma buys coffee while she is traveling to work.
Yes, I buy a coffee and a sandwich near my office. Then I start work at 9 o'clock.
Two very different mornings, but both totally normal.
Okay, let's do a quick recap of the important words and phrases from today. Listen carefully.
Wake up, to stop sleeping and open your eyes.
Get up, to leave your bed and stand up.
Alarm goes off. The alarm starts making a sound.
Snooze, to sleep for a few more minutes after the alarm.
Take a shower, to wash your body with water.
Get dressed, to put on your clothes.
Put on, to wear something. Take off, to remove something you are wearing.
Pour, to move liquid from one container to another.
Weekdays, Monday to Friday. Weekends, Saturday and Sunday.
Check, to look at something for information.
Pack, to put things in a bag for a trip.
Grab, to take something quickly.
Head out, to leave a place.
On my way to, while traveling to somewhere.
Great job! You now have all the tools to describe your own morning routine in English.
Now it's your turn to practice. We want to hear from you. In the comments below, write a short description of your morning routine. Use at least 3 words or phrases from today's episode.
For example, you could write, I wake up at 7. I take a shower, and then I make coffee. I usually have toast for breakfast. I leave the house at 8.
Simple, but perfect. We read all the comments and we'll reply to as many as we can.
Also, if you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Sprout TV. We publish new episodes every day to help you improve your English.
And don't forget to visit our website, EnglishSproutTV.com, where you can find the full transcript of this episode and free practice worksheets.
Thank you so much for listening today. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to fluency. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now, everyone.
Take care.